Happy anniversary po, Dadon.
Thank you.
Parang bata pa lang kami. Pinakikinggan na namin kayo and up to now, you're still here. Siguro po, ano ang secret sa longevity ng Dadon sa sobrang malakas at sobrang competitive na mundo ng OPM?
Well, sinabi mo na rin, bata pa lang kayo, nakikinig na kayo sa Dodon. Hanggang ngayon, nakikinig pa rin kayo. So, you're our secret. You're the secret to our longevity.
It's the audience po talaga.
Yes. O, kaya kami nandito because people still come to the gigs and they're still excited to watch us play. So, yeah.
Ano po
Grateful.
ang lesson na natutunan ng Dadon for the past 4 decades of being an active OPM band, not just here in the Philippines but globally?
Patience. Pag ganito ka ng katagal sa ginagawa mo, syempre, you'll experience everything, no? Ups and downs, heartaches, tragedies, success, lahat. Nadadaanan mo yan. So, kailangan talaga may pasensya ka, with the forces around you, sa isa't isa rin, di ba? Kasi may kanya-kanya kaming mga moods and quirks. Pero, yeah, patience and love for what you do, I think. Yun ang sikreto talaga eh. Yeah.
Mga sir, how did Dadon overcome the challenges of the music industry? I mean, ibang-iba na yung ngayon, yung platform
Yes.
at ibang-iba na yung scenario ngayon sa OPM compared 4 decades ago. How did you ride into the changes? How did you overcome the challenges?
Well, I guess sa generation namin, hindi mo mapipigilan yung may resistance ka sa change eh. Kami rin naman eh.
Yes.
Kasi galing kami sa cassette, sa vinyl, tapos naging CD, naging online, and now, everything is social media. So, natuto rin kami. Sumabay to adjust to the times and welcome it. Kasi ito na talaga yung reality ngayon. So, all our releases are digital. Although we are releasing a limited edition vinyl for the old fans, and those who are collectors of vinyl. So, yeah, we roll with the punches, we move along with the times, pero hindi rin namin nakakalimutan yung pinanggalingan namin.
Hindi nawawala yung core ng Dadon.
Yep.
Despite the changes and the challenges.
Yes, yes.